Okay, so what you need to know when experimenting with type in Illustrator is you need to know what the elements of type are. So we're going to first select my type panel, and if you go up to character in the top panel there, it will show you a window, and I need to have the text tool selected so that it will show up the text. So let's try that again. Now we go up to character. Okay, so up here it shows me my typeface, which is a source serif variable, and then I have options with it. So it could be Roman, extra light, light, regular, semi-bold, bold, and black. So they're all, that belongs to the type family of source serif variable, and these are all the different types that are available. Then we go back to here. So it's 94 point type. That is the size of the type. And over here is 127 point. That is the leading. So when you see 1A above the other, that is the space from the baseline of the top row of type to the baseline of the row of type underneath, which is called the leading. So this is the leading here. This one here is the kerning. So that's the space between individual letters. So here we've got really tight kerning, which you wouldn't use generally, but that's just to show you an example of what kerning looks like, as opposed to tracking, which is the spacing between groups of letters, the equal spacing between groups of letters. And here I've made it 30. So what I have done is I wanted to make a, so you can have a paragraph, you have to think about alignment as well. So you could have it aligned left, you can have it aligned centered, aligned right, or then you can have it justified, and there's different options for that. This justified wasn't working for me, so what I did individually is I went to each row of type and I highlighted it, then I went up to character and I played around with the tracking so that I could get them all to line up on these lines. So see here I've got guidelines, so control and the semicolon will open that up for you, and I put guidelines down the side so I can line up all my text down the left and the right side.